Nokia is one of the most trusted phone brands in the world. And if you're looking for a mind-blowing 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range, Nokia is about to drop an absolute beast of a device. Get ready for the Nokia Zero Pro Ultra 5G. This power-packed smartphone comes with a 150-megapixel DSLR camera, the most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, and all of this at an unbelievable price. If you're excited to grab this phone, stick around till the end, because in today's video, we're breaking down all the leaked specs, pricing, and launch details of this monster device. Let's start. Features of Nokia Zero Pro Ultra 5G. Display. This beast flaunts a massive, 6.8-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with 2K resolution. Plus, it rocks a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 360Hz touch sampling rate, for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. And yes, it also has an in-display fingerprint sensor, for that premium feel. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this phone is a photography powerhouse. It packs a quad camera setup, headlined by a 150-megapixel primary sensor. And that's not all, you also get a 64-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel depth sensor, and 5-megapixel wide sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera, to make sure your Instagram game stays strong. Processor and performance. Under the hood, this phone is an absolute beast. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the most powerful chipset in the mobile world right now. And to top it off, it runs on the latest Android 15 OS straight out of the box. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Zero Pro Ultra 5G packs a massive 8000 mAh battery, with 125-watt fast charging support. That means less charging, more gaming, streaming, and everything in between. Price and launch date. This smartphone's expected price is around $650, which is insane for these specs. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but rumors suggest it could drop by the end of this year.